In this video, we'll be showing you how to navigate the menu system on a Thermapen Professional. To start, unscrew the battery cover using a Phillips screwdriver. So this will expose two buttons on the inside of the battery cover, the top button being the menu, the bottom button being the set. Open up the probe and push the menu button to begin. The first option will be resolution. To toggle between the resolution options, push the set button. To move on to the next option, push the menu. The next option will be screen rotation. You can toggle between different screen orientations by pushing the set button from 360 degrees, 180, or to lock it in a certain orientation. This will be how long the instrument waits before turning off when the probe is open. You can also have it off completely. To exit the menu, push the menu button. Close the probe and reattach the battery cover.